What's going on, man? So, about to try to do rolling burnouts today. Last night I did burnouts, just a standing one, and now about to go ahead and try this. I'm learning, guys, girls probably gonna want to learn this as well. Hey, look, we're gonna learn together, all right? So I'm in a random parking lot, safely. You know, I get to practice my little turns, my little small little maneuvers. Hit this clutch, and then grab the brake and the gas at the same time, and roll while holding the brake and dumping the clutch. So, clutch, boom, and then let go and dump the clutch. But as you can see, I am hesitant to do it right now. So we're gonna try this, man. Hopefully it comes out good, but we're gonna keep trying until I get it down. I got all day, I got money for gas. I ain't tripping. All right, let's do it. Let's get one run in. Not sure how that looked, but we'll see. Dumping the clutch, I think, is the scariest part about rolling burnout. Just because this bike starts to, you know, fishtail. Nope, couldn't do that with that one. I just sat down. I was going too slow. Kind of crushed my nuts a little bit. That kind of hurt. I'm feeling that one in my stomach. Beautiful view, beautiful day in Cali. After this, after I'm done hurting myself, because I am hurting really bad right now. That one took me. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, hold on, I gotta pause. Boy, jeez. Y'all have no idea. Oh man. Hey, no pain, no gain. Make sure everything's still there, bro. You know what I'm saying? God. Oh. Woo-wee. I thought I could fight it off, but no bueno. Woo, man. I gotta wipe the sweat off that one. Bro, I sat right on the seat. Like, bro, I sat right there. Ooh. Oh. Alright. I should be alright. Alright. Let's do it again. So I'm gonna try to go about 15. I don't know how that looked. I don't think I was standing up enough to get pressure off that back tire, to be honest. I'm really not that heavy. I'm like 175, 180. that's what happens. We dropped the bike practicing, so it's okay. And that's gonna do it for today, boys. Oh man, that was brutal. It's okay though. We live and we learn. We mobbing.